So let me show you how to turn on auto blocker on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Now this feature basically protects your device from malicious images sent to you. It protects your USB-C device so that people cannot send commands to your phone or tablet. So to enable it, simply go to settings. Under settings, on the left hand side, scroll to security and privacy, tap on that, and then you should see auto blocker. You can tap on that, and then this is where you can enable it. So just turn on that toggle button and that will turn on auto blocker. So this basically, like I said, does blocks apps from unauthorized sources, blocks commands by USB cable, blocks malware images in messages and apps, in messaging apps, beg your pardon, and also blocks non-official software updates. Okay, so that is basically auto blocker. It's just like Windows Defender on your computer. So that's how to turn it on and protect your device. Thanks for watching and good luck.